It's pretty unbelievable that a home this nice can be found on the market in Italy for just €48,000, and even more incredible that it's in the historic centre of Tonara, which is in the heart of beautiful Sardinia. This 95 square metre property is spread over 4 floors and includes 2 bedrooms, a balcony, and a panoramic roof terrace. It was restored in 2010 and is ready for its next owner to move in and start enjoying the fresh air and views of this wonderful area. Tonara has been described as a place so magical that you feel as though you've stepped back a few centuries, and one of the most geographically stunning areas of Sardinia. You'll also be just an hour or so from the many gorgeous beaches and crystal clear water which makes Sardinia such a desirable location to live in. If you're interested in this property, please see the description below for more information.